Hi, welcome to week 1 of Data Analytics for Security and Intelligence. This week is an introduction, so this week we're going to be going over some introduction material on analytical methods. We're going to talk in the presentation a lot about just getting you some context around the various aspects of analytics for security intelligence that we'll be going through throughout the course of the term. And just trying to get you sort of situated with some of the definitions of what it means to be an analyst, what analysts do, what it means to talk about data analytics, big data, and how that sort of applies into what we're talking about. A lot of the topics we'll introduce this week we'll be going into in more detail in the following modules. But in order to really understand as we go forward what we're trying to accomplish, we got to kind of introduce a lot of that stuff early here, which is what we're trying to do with this week's work. So this week, run like any other week. We're going to have a presentation. I'll go through that. It'll introduce you to some of the charts. I'll then want you to kind of review the charts yourself and dig into the topics and maybe think about and pull that stuff out of the material as you go forward, so you kind of know what the key points are. Then we'll do some reading, a couple of chapters, I think, in the analytics book, and then have a discussion question. Kind of get you thinking about what it means to be an analyst, what other kinds of analyses are out there that you can pick up on, and then when someone says they've used big data to arrive at some conclusions, what do they mean? So those are the kinds of assignments we're going to be doing this week. Be a quiz at the end of it to test your knowledge of the material, and then we'll be ready to kick off week 2. So welcome to class, and we will see you in the next video.